everyone, I am Bhagyashree and today we are going to discuss about covalent bond. In our previous video, we had discussed about ionic bond. So here today in this video, we are going to discuss about covalent bond and its type. So let us discuss about covalent bond. Here is the definition of covalent bond. Compounds which are formed by the mutual sharing of electrons between two or more atoms are called covalent compound, and the bond between them is called covalent bond. So what does it mean? That means this type of bond is formed between two similar or dissimilar atoms by the mutual sharing of electrons. The shared pair of electron is counted towards the stability of both the participating atoms. Then let us discuss about covalency. So what is covalency? The number of electrons mutually shared by an atom in the formation of a covalent compound is called its covalency. Next, let us discuss about types of covalent bond. Here you can see there are various types of covalent bond. According to polarity, there are three types of covalent bond. That means one is polar, second one is non-polar, and another one is coordinate bond. Coordinate bond is a part of covalent bond. Then according to number of shared electrons, covalent bonds are various types. If two electrons are shared between two atoms, then a single bond is formed between the two atoms, and that is known as single covalent bond. If four electrons are shared between two atoms, then double bond is formed between the two atoms, and that bond is known as double covalent bond. In this way, if six electrons are shared between two atoms, then triple bond is formed between the two atoms, and that triple bond is known as triple covalent bond. Then according to types of overlapping, there are two types of covalent bond. If the overlapping is head-on overlapping, then that is known as sigma bond. If the overlapping is sideways overlapping, then that is known as pi bond. So here I will discuss about the types of covalent bond according to the shared number of electrons. So according to shared number of electrons, covalent bonds are of three types. One is single bond, second one is the double bond, and next one is the triple bond. So here let us discuss about single covalent bond. What is single covalent bond? If one electron pair is shared between two atoms, a single bond is formed and it is represented as dash. That means it represented as a single bond. Suppose let us take the example of hydrogen molecule. Here you can see the electronic configuration of hydrogen is 1s1. In the formation of hydrogen molecule, each of the hydrogen atom contribute one electrons. Thus, a pair of electron is contributed between two hydrogen atoms to form a single bond. This can be represented as the following. Here you can see H dot. Here dot represented the one electron which is present in hydrogen atom. So here two hydrogen combine to form a hydrogen molecule, and hydrogen molecule is represented as H2, and a single bond is formed between the hydrogen molecule and between the hydrogen and hydrogen atom, and that bond, single bond, is known as single covalent bond. Here what is the covalency of hydrogen? Here you can see one electron is shared between the hydrogen atom. So here covalency of one hydrogen is equal to 1. So let us discuss about double bond. And what is double covalent bond? A double bond is formed by the mutual sharing of two paired electron between two atoms. It is represented as this, like double bond. Example, formation of oxygen molecule. The electronic configuration of oxygen is, here you can see 1s2, 2s2, 2p4. In the formation of oxygen molecule, two oxygen atoms mutually share two pair of electrons. Thus, a double bond is formed between two oxygen atoms in oxygen molecule. It is represented as the following type. Here, first one where dot represented around the oxygen atom is represented as electrons, and in the second oxygen atom, cross mark represented the number of electrons which are present in the valence shell of oxygen atom. So after combining of two oxygen atoms, oxygen molecule is formed. So here you can see in the formation of oxygen molecule, 4 electrons are shared in between two oxygen atoms. That means two pairs of electrons are shared in between two oxygen atoms, and a oxygen molecule is formed. So here, as two electron pairs are shared in between two oxygen atoms, so two bonds are formed between the two oxygen atom and form an oxygen molecule, which is represented as O2. So here, what is the covalency of oxygen? Here we can say here covalency of oxygen is 2, because here oxygen atoms share its 2 electron with another oxygen atom to form a oxygen molecule. So here you can see covalency of oxygen is 2. And here, why oxygen atom share 2 electrons with another oxygen atom? It is because by sharing the 2 electrons, each oxygen atom obey octet rule and become stable by sharing of electrons and form a oxygen molecule. So finally, let us discuss about the triple covalent bond. If 3 electron pairs are shared between two atoms, a triple bond is result, and it is represented as 3 single lines. Example, formation of nitrogen molecule. In the formation of nitrogen molecule, two nitrogen atoms mutually share 3 electron pairs to form a triple bond. This can be represented as this type. Here you can see one nitrogen atom combined with another nitrogen atom to form a nitrogen molecule. Here 3 electrons are shared between the two nitrogen atoms and form a nitrogen molecule. Here, as 3 electrons of each nitrogen are shared, so a triple bond is formed between the nitrogen molecule and the atoms which are present in the nitrogen molecule. So here we can say the covalency of nitrogen is 3. Why covalency of nitrogen is 3? Because here one nitrogen share its 3 valence electron with another nitrogen atom. So covalency of nitrogen is equal to 3. So in this way we can calculate the covalency of each atom of every molecule. So this is all about single bond, double bond and triple bond. So this is all about the types of covalent bond according to the number of shared pair of electrons.